This is Beatbot AquaSense Pro,
the world's first 5-in-1 smart pool cleaning robot. The IMR laminating process shows the creative and functional design, and its durable build will outstand any scratches or corrosion. This cordless 5-in-1 Beatbot cleans all pool areas, from floor, walls, waterline, water surface, and even water clarification. It has 4 brushes moving independently on both sides. It has 2 tracked wheels, 5 buttons, battery status display, 1 power, 4 modes, top filter channel with 2 filters, clarifier box on top,
2 suction ports, 1 for floor and walls,
plus 1 for water surfaces, as it features the industry-first clear water clarifier dispenser. This device offers the most versatile cleaning experience and unmatched water clarity. Plus, there are 2 surface thrusters in the back of the robot that boost its efficiency while cleaning the water surface. The AquaSense Pro features Sonic Sense ultrasonic sensors and Clever Nav navigation system,
which combined with the 5-in-1 cleaning ability ensures a full cleaning coverage of the pool.
Why did you do that?
Well, how else am I supposed to get it out?
Beatbot has an intelligent auto return to starting point. I have hassle-free retrieval with Beatbot. With automatic surface parking and smart drain, life is so much easier.
Get your $9.90 early bird ticket and grab your $500 discount.
Go and get yours now.